In the earlier episode, we visited the source of the river Vecht and the Darveld Castle. After a nice stay over in the city of Darveld, we continued with a 2-day round trip in the Teutoburger Wald. We entered this hilly forest at Tecklenburg. The forest consists of 2 ridges that stretch from west to east over 105 kilometers. The highest hill in the east is almost 450 meters high. The Hermanndenkmal is a statue to honor the German leader Arminius, as the Romans called him. He defeated the Roman army in the year 9. The Romans never came further east and north than this point. The statue dates back to 1875. Together with its pedestal, it measures 54 meters. With the 27 meters height of the statue itself, it was the largest statue in the Western world until the Statue of Liberty was erected in New York. The Extrensteine is a sandstone rock formation that dates back 120 million years. It has been sculpted by erosion. The mystical atmosphere attracts people to use it as a place of worship. Signs indicate that men visited this place as from the Middle Ages and maybe even from prehistoric times. Wasserstrassekreuz, or Water Street Cross, the river Wezer flows underneath the Mittelland canal. With a length of 326 kilometers, this channel is the longest man-made waterway in Germany.